Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic exhaustible and inexhaustible resources from the lesson Coal and Petroleum of 8th class physics. So we have to think about few questions to understand about the need and importance of natural resources. In the earlier class, we discussed about natural resources and the man-made resources. Now we need to know about the need and importance of natural resources. Will the above resources be available forever? Means, do they available every time? Even after 500 years, we don't have guarantee. Won't we ever run out of air? No, air is available. Even after 1000 years also it is available. Won't we ever run out of water? No, definitely not. Because 70% of the earth is occupied with the water. Can these resources be exhausted by human activities? We think no, yes. Do we have unlimited supply of coal and petroleum? Yes, we have a doubt. Let us explore here. How long do you think it would take to grow the forest again? So much time. So there are many resources like trees which will be depleted if we don't make judicious use of them. How long the fossil fuel like petroleum will be available? Is it inexhaustible? So now we have to answer these questions in this module. Resources therefore can be classified as exhaustible and inexhaustible depending on whether they are expected to last forever or not. For that, let us do an activity. List out the natural resources which are limited and which are abundant and record them in table. So we have got them. The resources abundant means unlimited resources are solar energy, wind energy, it is always available, tidal energy and it never ends, biomass energy, yes, as far as the life is on the earth, ability of biomass energy, and water, yes, there is water. So these are the resources which are unlimited, means available at any time. They are coal, petroleum and natural gas. So when we overuse them, at one day they are going to end. You can see in the picture there are windmills are there, and wind is an important natural resource. Wind energy, just now we told, it is the resource which is unlimited. Sail boats and sailing ships have been using wind power since thousands of years ago. So they use wind to sail the boats, and windmills were used to grind corn and to pump seawater to make salt. Some energy resources like air and water are not exhaustible on usage. Hence, these are called inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources. Coal and petroleum, etc. are the energy resources which are exhaustible on usage. Means, there is a limit for the availability of the coal and petroleum on the earth. In this situation, If the same situation continues, in future we might have to depend on solar energy. So we can say sorry, no fuel. We can go with the solar. Is wood an exhaustible resource? Yes, definitely. If we see the history of petroleum production, let the extraction from 1859 to 1969 means about 110 years will be 100%. Let it be 100%. So from 1859 to 1959 means 100 years. We have extracted 227 billion barrels. So means 50% of our country. But from 1959 to 1969 means within a span of 10 years, again 227 billion barrels were extracted, means 50%. See, for the first 50% it will take 100 years, but for the next 50% it just taken only 10 years. So Earth takes more than 1000 years to form the oil that we consume in one day. Do remember, by about 2015 we would have consumed half of the total reserves of the oil on the earth. In the oil industry, the barrel is the unit for measuring petroleum, and volume of one barrel equals to 159 liters.